Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1 to 3 countings. Let's start. Yellow color 1, O-N-E 1. Green color 2, T-W-O 2. Purple color 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. Blue color 4, F-O-U-R 4. Orange color 5, F-I-V-E 5. Orange color 6, S-I-X 6. Blue color 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Green color 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Purple color 9, N-I-N-E 9. Yellow color 10, T-E-N 10. Yellow color 11, E-L-V-E-N 11. Purple color 12, T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Orange color 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Green color 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Blue color 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Blue color 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. Orange color 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. Green color 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. Purple color 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Yellow color 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. So kids, what we learned today? We learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. Please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.